Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have been doing good and learning this language in a fun way. So today as you can see light up on my face, I am so happy and so elated. You might be thinking why she is happy. So let me tell you that today is my birthday. Yes, today is my birthday. So today I got lots of blessing. Today I got lots of blessing from my parents, from my grandparents and my maternal grandparents. So that's why I'm so happy that this day why become so special for me that I got lots of blessing. And not only that, even yesterday I have celebrated Raksha Bandhan. So happy Raksha Bandhan to you all. And let me tell you that how I celebrated Raksha Bandhan. And I will tell you, this video is not just about telling you Raksha Bandhan and something else. I will tell you the English also, but I will discuss a story. Right. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how did I celebrate Raksha Bandhan, and second part I will tell you the story, and on third part I will tell you that I will give you four questions related to daily life, practical question that you have to answer in English. Right. So this is the good way to learn any language. Right. First thing what you can do, you can pick any story, whatever floats in your boat, you can pick on that and you can talk on that, right? So it will help you to improve yourself, right? If you will talk only anything randomly, it is not going to help. You have to learn in all the circumstances. Means you, this English is not just to speak only in official work, it will help you in real life. So we have to speak about real life also, right? So I will tell you each and everything. Before, let me tell you that how did I celebrated Raksha Bandhan. So yesterday when I woke up early in the morning, so I took the bath and then I firstly head towards my temple. Means my temple room. In my house there is a separate room for deities. So I head there and I tie Raksha, means Rakhi to Lord Krishna. Yes, I how I did that I will tell you. Firstly, I tie Rakhi to Lord Krishna, and there is a great reason behind that. You know, if He is the Lord of Universe. As you know that He is the Lord of Universe, and He will help you in every circumstances. No matter you are, how much trouble do you have, no matter what you are struggling. But if you have great faith on Lord Krishna, He is going to help you in each and every situation. Trust me, it will help you if you have a great faith, unwavering faith. You can say unwavering faith. If you have that, it's going to help you, right? So let me tell you the great story behind Raksha Bandhan. If you want to know something why we celebrate it, so you should know that why it is celebrated. You should know the deep, you should know the root meaning of that, right? So let me tell you that this now is time to story. I will tell you story of related to Raksha Bandhan only, so that it can help you, right? So Raksha Bandhan, as you know, back then there was a lady. Her name was Shukriti, and she gave a burn to a boy, and that boy had four arms and three eyes. He was little bit deformed, you can say. So their parents took her to the great sage to ask that why this problem is there. So the great told him that her deform will clear if someone touch his. But remember, if someone is going to touch his body, means in his lap, if he will take it is in lap, so means her problem will remove. But remember that will be the cause of her death also, means that person will be the cause of death also. So but Shukriti know that, means her mother know that okay, this problem is there. So one by one every person came and touched her, but nothing could happen. Now Lord Krishna came, right? So Lord Krishna when come came and took her in her lap. So her all means problem, his eye means her extra eyes was there, arm was there, it has removed. Now he has become a beautiful boy. Now he has become a beautiful boy. So he was looking so beautiful now. So, but Sukriti remember the alarm given by the sage that if someone is going to remove that her difficulty, that person will be the cause of her death also. She started crying and asked Krishna that Krishna, please forgive my child. Please don't kill her. Please don't kill her. But Krishna, she was pleading a lot, so Krishna give her that promise her that okay, I will not kill him till her 100 mistake. If he will cross his 100 mistake, then I will kill him. So by listening that, Sukriti has a faith that okay, he will not do mistake. She will help her. Why that she will not kill her. Now that boy has become the king of the Chedi. It is the Chedi place. Who he had become the king of there. Her name is Shishupal. Right. Now Shishupal grow up and he has, I don't know why he has an evil with Krishna. He always he always say something bad about Krishna, and he does not behave good with Krishna. So one day what happened, he has done more than he has done 99 sinful activity, but Krishna forgave him. Now he came to his court, means came to Krishna courts. In one day in the court, Shishupal started abusing Krishna, and that day he has crossed. On that day he has crossed his 100 mistake. Right? He has crossed his 100 mistake. Now Krishna took his Sudarshan Chakra, and the time when he took out his Sudarshan Chakra to kill him, Sudarshan took cut his neck, Mr. Shupal neck. At the same time, in Krishna's hand, it was scratch, right? He has started bleeding, means he got a scratch and started bleeding. So everyone in the assembly started searching that how we can stop the bleeding of Krishna. At the same time, Draupadi was also there in the court, right? So Draupadi was also looking everything that what is happening. So she immediately go to the Krishna and tore off his sari. She tore off his sari and wind. She wind with her his hand. She wind his hand. So Krishna saw his faith. Krishna saw that how um, took my how immediately she helped me. So Krishna promised her that one day I will help you. Whenever you are in the trouble, you just tell me. I will help you. So one day, what happened? After some time, what happened? That Draupadi was means there was a fight between Pandavas and Kauravas, right? So you know that Pandavas lose their wealth and they lose Draupadi also. So now the Kauravas called Draupadi in the court and they tried to snatch the sari of Lord, tried to snatch the sari of Draupadi. But the Draupadi was asking for help with everyone in the court, with king and everyone that please help me. But no one helped her. Yes, no, literally no one helped her. So at that time she remembered Krishna. So Krishna saved him and he started giving unlimited sari to Draupadi, means no limit for that. So everyone was shocked that who has helped Draupadi. So everyone get to know after some time that Krishna is there who is helping Draupadi. So you should also have unwavering faith with Lord Krishna. That's why we celebrate Raksha Bandhan. This is not a simple tie that we just tie on wrist. This is the faith that we promise each other that we will go in all thick and thin situation. Whatever is going to happen, I will be there with you. Right. So this story really touched my heart. So I thought that why not share with you all. so that you can also learn something by this, because whatever whatever I'm learning, I'm just trying to share with you all, so you can also impart some knowledge with me. You can also repeat with me that whatever she's saying, I can also do in the same way, right? This is a great way to learn. Now, you might have learned from this story that why we tie Rakhi on our brother's hand. So, if you are far away from your brother or sister, so please call him or send some Rakhi or whatever you do, you can do it. I will post one picture also that how I tie um, Rakhi on my Krishna hand, so you can take a look on that. Okay, so now the next activity is that I will give you four questions and you have to tell me within 2 to 3 lines. Try to answer it 2 to 3 lines, and I will also give you my own answer that how you can do that. I have written it for you all so that I cannot forget it. Right, because my mind is so, you can say, I forget very immediately, so I just try to write it down. So first question is that what's your favorite thing that you do on weekends? So take a pause and answer it, right? And my answer is that what I usually do on weekends, that I go to the temple in the evening and I relax there. After that, I sometime I do some cooking also, and I talk with my friends and my parents. So this is how I spend my weekend. Now the second question is that what do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast? So take a pause and give your own answer, right? So that you will learn. Repeat after me. My answer is that I usually eat toast or loaf of bread, you can say, and I have a cup of milk as well, and sometimes I eat fruits also. So this is how I eat in the morning breakfast, right? Now the third question is that describe your best friend and what he or she likes. So my best friend is, I really love my best friend. So my best friend is really kind and she's very funny also. We know each other. I think so. We know each other since school. It's really true that I really know we each other. We know each other since school when we were in fifth grade, and we share lots of happiness, some sadness, everything we share with each other. And she's always support me and she always help me. Right. Now, the fourth question is that what did you do yesterday? So, I told you my story that what yesterday it was Raksha Bandhan. So, I celebrated in a grand way by tying in my Krishna's hand. And it's your time to tell your any story, whatever you like, write it down in the comment box. I will go through all your comment. So you have to do this one activity. I'm not going to answer this. It's your time to answer. And if you really like my video and if you want to wish me, so you can write down in the comment box. I myself go through all the comment and I really love when you comment in down. So if you like such kind of video that I should bring more, so write in the comment box. I will bring such more valuable content for you all. If you like it, so please like it, subscribe it, so that it give me motivation, right? So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy learning. Bye.